Number 1. Fellow Organic K Handle.
Fellow high-performance ratchet, a 1/4 inch drive with 180-degree swivel head. Super strong ratcheting mechanism with fine toothing. 3-component organic handle. It features patented organic handle, high-performance ratchet with 180-degree pivoting mechanism, a 1/4 inch quick-release bit holder. 60-tooth ratcheting feature speeds up work, while the pivoting mechanism helps to work on hard-to-reach fasteners. Withstands high torque loads. Number 2. Milescraft Exacter. The Exacter is a multi-purpose tool that can be used for a variety of applications. The only tool of its kind that is a true T-square and can do both inside and outside corners. With a 4-way built-in scale and many other features, there is no other tool you will need. Number 3. Knipex Cobra ES Extra Slim Pump Pliers. No more time-consuming test adjusting to achieve the correct size. With the extra slim Knipex Cobra water pump pliers, you can simply position the upper jaw to the workpiece, push the button, and close the lower jaw. And you'll also be able to say goodbye to blood blisters you get with other gripping pliers. With safety its first priority, Knipex has designed a built-in pinch guard that prevents blood blisters on your hand. This extra slim model with its long, narrow jaws is ideal for service and maintenance, equipment repair, automotive, and general industry applications. You'll get good access to the workpiece due to the very slim construction of the head and joint area. The unique self-locking adjustment and induction-hardened gripping teeth means that once it's set, it stays. There's no slipping and no need to waste strength squeezing the pliers, ensuring operator safety and more efficient work. Cobra's unique jaw configuration can grip any shape object, flat, round, hex, or square. It also eliminates nut burring to avoid stripping pipes, nuts, or bolts. Number 4. Klein Tools Multibit Screwdriver. Precision small HVAC pocket screwdriver with 3 bits. The Pocket 3-in-1 HVAC screwdriver has a concealable tip and a pocket clip for convenient pocket storage. To use, simply slide the cuff back to expose the tip and shaft. Flip the barrel to the long side shaft to extend your reach. Number 5. Imperial blades. Imperial Blades 1 Fit 4 in 1 features drywall blade was designed for easier cuts in drywall for electrical outlet boxes, can lights, PVC, and more. As an added bonus, the front width of the blade is specifically calculated to plunge cut the width of a standard American outlet box. Number 6. Belt sander adapter for angle grinder. Easy assembling. Just replace the head attachment of your angle grinder with belt sander kit. Your angle grinder will be a pipe and tube belt sander in a minute. You can pushing the guide wheel to replace finer abrasive belt while using, which is convenient and fast. Just replace the angle grinder head. You can get another tool. Suitable for polishing, grinding work of wood, metal, and stainless steel, better for pipe type. It can achieve the effect of polishing, drawing, mirroring, etc. Number 7. Inline track clamps for Dovetail aluminum tracks.
Dragon's inline speed clamps are the perfect addition to your workshop. Use them with advanced aluminum dovetail tracks to build any clamping solution, same way as using T-track, tabletop, bench vise and more. These inline clamps for dovetail tracks are so innovative, they make securing workpieces a breeze. With just one motion, you can quickly and easily clamp a workpiece in place, no more wrestling with clamps or struggling to hold things in place. With clamping force up to 125 pounds, Dragon's inline speed clamps make securing metal, wood and plastic workpieces to your bench a breeze. They are engineered to provide the perfect solution for the professional.
Number 8. Carbide inserts dowel maker dowel plate.
Carbide blade design makes this dowel maker more efficient for making sticks. The 1-inch thick hole can effectively maintain the advanced direction of the workpiece and make the dowel straighter, which is conducive to making slightly longer dowel rod or sticks. Number 9. Dr. Heater 240-volt hardwired shop garage commercial heater. Need safe, comfort, and quick heat? This DR966 3000 watt and 6000 watt industrial heater can be easily installed in either your new or remodeled building. Dr. 966 can be your primary or auxiliary heat source for your garage, factories, stores, warehouses, workshops, schools, churches, hospitals, dormitories, or any exposed areas. DR966 uses spiral steel metal sheath electric heating elements with low sheath temperatures provide uniform heat and long service life. Plus a large, matched, dynamically 8-inch fan provide maximum airflow with minimum turbulence and noise, gently distributes warmth through your area. Totally enclosed, thermally protected, Heavy-duty ball bearing motor features permanently lubricated provides long life and low maintenance. Built-in adjustable thermostat allows to set your desired style. Rugged stamped steel front cover with 5-way adjustable louvers for easy control airflow. Ceiling and wall mounting bracket are included. Finished in a gray epoxy paint. Number 10. Proxen Belt Sander BS and E. A light, compact and user-friendly unit that makes sanding in tight spaces more convenient. Used in modeling, sculpturing, tool and die making or the automotive sector. The belt sander has a speed control for variable speeds from 12 to 25 feet per second, which enables to work on many different materials, such as wood, metal or plastic. It can be used for grinding and enlarging small openings, grinding in notches, regrinding molds or polishing flat surfaces. It is also great for deburring, rounding edges or removing paint. Recentering or tilting the belt is easily done with a screwdriver. Comes with 280 grit and two 180 grit sanding belts.